Hello folks, and welcome to another video. So guys, in this video I wanted to share with you another bargain that I got on one of the Amazon Black Friday deals that might be useful for photographers and videographers. So stick around. So, an accessory for photographers and videographers? Well, maybe not. But this is what we've actually got, guys. So this is the Ziess lens wipes. So this again was one of those bargains that I picked up on the Amazon Black Friday deals recently. So it's a box of 200. And in there's 200 basically little sachets. I can't even say the word sachets. I can't even say it. I haven't been drinking. Little packets, individual little packets, 200 of them, and they are ideal for your camera lens, your video lens, even your spectacles. So in here was 200 in there, guys. Again, the prices fluctuate anything between sort of £19. I bought these for £8, but they fluctuate between £19 and down to £8. Generally, they hover around about the £12 mark here in the UK, but they are an absolute, for me, an ideal and very useful accessory. I always keep a couple in my camera bag, and keep a few at work for my spectacles. So what does it say on the box? So it says the benefits of using the Ziess wipes are high quality. It's made of high quality microfine tissue. They're independently tested. I don't know who by. And are convenient and portable. Well, I wouldn't say that's portable. Anyway, so they're suitable for all glass and plastic spectacles. And they're particularly effective for high quality coated precision lenses on all optical surfaces, including cameras and binoculars. There you go. But it says here they're not suitable for contact lenses. And it also says that if you want to use it on your tablet or your phone, then they do wipes specifically for that. Now, as I said, I always keep these in the camera bag. Or not this box, obviously. Little couple of them. They're ideal for wiping the lens of your camera and your camcorder, and also cleaning dirty fingerprints off your glasses, which I tend to get a lot of. Although it doesn't recommend using it on your tablet or your phone, I have used it on my tablet and my phone without any ill effects. I'm not saying that you should do that, far from it. But I've used it on my Samsung tablet and Samsung phone without any ill effects. But I wouldn't recommend you do it because it might mark the screen. But they're absolutely brilliant, guys. So as I said, a little recommendation. This is only going to be a short video, unusually for me. But I would definitely recommend, especially you can pick them up for £8, because that will last me a good while. As I said, I keep some at work. I keep some in the my spectacle case, and always keep a few in my various camera bags. And I leave some lying around for, you know, clean my glasses, or Karen wants to clean her glasses. So there you go, guys. Keep an eye out on Amazon, because if these come down as a good deal, definitely worth getting some. Definitely worth having. I haven't started these yet because I still got the box left from last time, but I probably, you know, we get through them quite quickly. But you know, I always look out for one of those deals, and I got lucky on this time. But hopefully there'll be another deal before I run out of these. So guys, I'm waffling on this one again. So as I said, highly recommend it. It's not sponsored by Ziess or anybody like that, but I highly recommend them. Nice little packets. Keep in your camera bag, keep in your spectacle case, in your bag, anywhere. Your pocket even, I suppose. Clean your glasses and lenses. Anyway guys, as I said, I'm waffling. Hope you find this little video useful, and we will catch you on the next one. So until then, bye bye for now.